Acoustic transductions. Acoustic transductions are related to the change in mass. In these transductions, the material that is used is piezoelectric material. We have learned about piezoelectric materials in our previous modules, and this material is a specialized material and can detect a minor change in the concentration of mass. There are basically three types of piezoelectric materials, different types of piezoelectric materials. These are used in acoustic transduction. There are three types of acoustic biosensors which are used in diagnostics. First is the quartz crystals microbalance, second is the surface acoustic wave, and third is the cantilever biosensor. In all these biosensors, the change in the mass is detected by the help of piezoelectric material using a change in the wave. So the first type of QCM biosensor, that is the quartz crystal microbalance, is the first which was introduced in the biosensor technology in 1970s. This is the most, still it is considered the most sensitive technique for the detection of mass. In biosensor technology, we know that there is a biorecognition process at any stage, or the biorecognition molecule binds with its target molecule and it leads to the change in the mass. When there is a change in the mass, this change could be detected by the piezoelectric material, and the acoustic transduction principle is utilized. The piezoelectric material is used, and the principle of thickness shear modes is used for the fabrication of different types of biosensors. You can see in this slide the quartz crystal plate is used along with the gold electrodes. There are two electrodes and there is a quartz crystals, and these quartz crystals and gold electrodes are joined by an adhesive film. And as we increase the thickness, there is an increase in the thickness of the material or the biosensor. The thickness is increased when a target molecule binds with this receptor molecule. This change leads to the crystal resonation, and the thickness of the crystal is determined, and then that is how we can determine the presence of the target molecule by using the piezoelectric material using the QCM. Next is the surface acoustic wave sensor. This is a very simple type of sensor in which mostly the antibodies is used. This is synthesized by using MEM technology, and it works rely on the modulation of surface acoustic wave to sense a physical phenomena. Physical phenomena is the binding of the antibody with the antigen. The mechanical waves of SAW biosensor propagate along the surface of the piezoelectric substrates. This allows for higher resonance frequencies. The mass sensitivity increase with increase in the frequency. यानी कि when the mass will increase, the frequency of the wave will also increase. Now we are going to discuss another type of acoustic transduction biosensor, and that is known as cantilever. Cantilevers are special types of devices that are originated from the sharp tips used in atomic force microscopy. And there are two modes of operation. The first is the dynamic resonant mode, and the second is the static deflection mode. In the dynamic resonant mode, mass increase in the cantilever surface leads to decrease in the resonant frequency, while in case of static deflection mode, mass increase cause a deflection of the cantilever, which can be measured optically or by using other techniques. Here is an example which shows you about the cantilever, that how this cantilever can work. The figure illustrates a cantilever assay. It means that on a one device, we can implant or immobilize a number of bioreceptor molecules such as antibodies, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA, and in such a configuration, it is possible to detect the different biomarkers for the cancer. This is a good example for the cantilever that could be used in diagnostic biosensor. So, in summary, we can say that the acoustic or gravitational diagnostic sensor rely on the change in mass. There are mainly three types of acoustic biosensors that are used in diagnostic. One is QCM, second is surface acoustic wave type, and third is the cantilever biosensor. So the related questions are: what is meant by gravimetric transduction, give the transduction methods based on mass, and name the special class of material that is used in acoustic biosensor. Obviously, that is piezoelectric material. Give the common types of acoustic biosensor. There are three types which we have discussed in this modules, and discuss the applications of cantilever biosensor in the diagnosis of cancer.